Where are you going?
I am going to Mamba Grill.
Mambo Grill? What are you going to do there?
I'm gonna eat
Plain belas ang sakto ako kung mas kung unying lalay.
You gonna eat what?
gravy
Cravings? What cravings? What food?
because it's so delicious.
It's so delicious. What?
And it's,
That's Mega World. What are you going to eat, chauffeur?
I'm gonna eat something else where the place belongs.
Me, I wanna eat bak choy. How about you?
Me, I wanna eat some in the Lantian.
Lantien?
Ate already there.
That's another restaurant. Lantien.
Oh, it's Nonas.
Nonas. Nonas.
Oh, it's Sophia Bread and Pastries.
Really? And we are here now at NGC.
We have
What do you mean when you say NGC? It's NGC.
Barlow
Jofer, what do you mean when you say NGC?
Happy Grill. Wow.
That's what?
Splash Bar.
Splash Park. Uy, don't miss.
Oh, wow.
Oh, careful.
Watch out for the fire.
Motorcycle, careful.
Mommy,
Mm.
if there's a ring, it's thunder. It's big, heavy rain. And it will be thunder, typhoon, and it will be lightning.
So are you scared? Don't be
Yes,
scared, okay?
because mommy and daddy's here. When mommy's
Yeah.
there and hanging the clothes, our daddy is going from the kitchen saying, Mom, Dad, where are you?
I'm here. We're just around. Don't worry.
Don't